Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to use 3x optical zoom on Vivo X300 FE. First, open your camera. Go into photo, then press on 3x. Choose a subject you want to take a photo of. Move a bit further away, press on the screen to lock onto the subject like so, and take a photo. You can also tap on the zoom and manually set it to a higher zoom, let's say 5x. Once again, move a little bit further away, lock onto the subject, and press the shutter to take a photo. I lowered the brightness a little so you can see better. Let's try with even bigger zoom. Let's go to 10x. Move a bit further away once again. There we go. As you can see, a lot more detail. It goes up to 100 if you need a really big zoom. I'm sure 3x or 5x will get you nice looking photos. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.